Hi, my name is Emeka. I'm a product manager with Ukaga, and today I'm going to be giving you a breakdown of our IgboSpeech API. I'm just going to be giving you a breakdown of the general functionality, how to navigate through this page, and any kind of missteps you might run into as you're trying to utilize it. So first thing is when you navigate to our page, you're going to be met with this initial screen. What you'll see here is the buttons to play, adjust the volume, record audio, as well as upload a file, and these different buttons for the different kind of speakers. You can click these to test the sound of the different speakers if you want to. Here's what you would click when you want to actually record audio. And if instead you would like to upload your own audio track, you can also navigate and click here. As you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can actually read some brief information about our product. This will probably be populated with more information about how to use this and some documentation in the future. But for now, the main thing that you can utilize is our frequently asked questions at the bottom here, which will give some breakdown about who we are, what are the potential uses for Igbo API, and kind of how you can get involved if you're interested. So if you were to record some audio, and I'll do that right now, you're going to notice that it'll allow you to actually record some. But once you try to transcribe, you're going to have to log in. So first off, if I want to do anything, I would click here. Kedu ahambu Emeka. If I click play here, you'll actually hear the audio back. Kedu ahambu Emeka. And if I wanted to actually go ahead and transcribe this, I would have to click this button here. What you're going to notice is going to be met with this screen asking me to log in. And it's really nice because we allow, log in via Google. So once you click confirm that step, you'll be able to move on to the next one. So I'll just skip to that for you guys. So after you do that, it'll actually run through the translation. Currently, prediction takes about 30 to 40 seconds at most. Sometimes and oftentimes it actually is done much faster. And honestly depends on the speed or how much the volume of dialogue, how long the actual recording is. But you can see here it's taken my audio, which we can play again. Kedu ahambu Emeka. And then this has been translated into text. Kedu ahambu Emeka. Again, we're still in the development phases, so you might notice some anomalies here and there from time to time, but the more we train it and the more we work on it, the better it'll get. You can give us some general feedback up and down if you notice that this was working successfully or not. You can always navigate here if you want to actually copy the audio. Here's how you can adjust the volume if you want to increase it or decrease it. Here's where you would click if you want to download your audio again for reuse. And lastly, if you want to go back and navigate to the beginning again, you would just hit this transcribe again button. And that's just a general breakdown of IgboSpeech. If you have any questions, you can always reach us on our website, and we really appreciate your support. Thank you.